Welcome to the Knowledge Paradise KP YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered that how to use Loft command and create a pencil in Solidworks? So let's start. First of all, select this file option. Now go to this new tab. Here it is showing three different options: part, assembly and drawing. Select part and press this OK button. As from the topic of this video, it is clearly mentioned that how to use lofted boss base command. So definitely I will show practical example. First of all, you have to select any of this plane which is suitable for you. Here I am going to use this top plane. So select it, press this show option here. Now use this reference geometry option here. Click on it and go to this plane option. Select this, and now here you have to put the distance or the gap between two planes. 0.5 inch will be perfect. Press this OK button. So here you can see that we have created a plane 1 with the reference of this top plane at a distance of 0.5 inches. Now again select this reference geometry option, press this plane option here. Now select this plane 1, I think 4 inches will be perfect. Press this OK button. So we have successfully created these three planes here. Firstly, you have to select this plane 1 here. Just select this plane 1 here, go to this sketch mode, it will automatically normalize it. Now select this circle option here and create a circle here. Now press this OK button, and now I'm going to use this smart dimensioning option here. Here it is showing that the diameter of this circle is 2.86 inches, but we only need 0.5 inches. Press this OK button here. Now click on this option here. So we have successfully created a circle on this plane 1. Now again select this plane 2 here, go to this sketch mode. Now normalize it. Again select this circle here, use this origin and draw a circle here. Press this OK button, dimension it. 0.5 inches are perfect. Press this button as well. Now just rotate it little bit. And now I am going to create another circle here in the top plane. So select it, go to this sketch mode, normalize it, and now I am going to draw another circle here. Select this origin and draw a small circle here. Now use smart dimensioning technique. The diameter of this small circle must be 0.08 inch. Press this OK button. Now press this OK button here and again select this option. So we have successfully created these three sketches here. Now I am going to use lofted boss base command in order to create a pencil like structure. So by using these three basic planes, I am going to create a whole pencil. Select this lofted boss base command here. Now select this sketch and this sketch. Now you have to rotate it little bit, and by clicking on this surface, you have to select normal to here. Here you can see these two small circles of green color. So select one of them and move it towards the other one, and place this circle over this circle. Make both these circles coincident. Now press this OK button. So we have successfully created one of the part of the pencil. Now I am again going to use this lofted boss base command in order to create the tip of the pencil. So select this lofted boss base command here. Now select this circle and then select this circle. Now press this OK button here. So we have successfully created a pencil like structure as shown here. Now again select this reference geometry here. Select this plane option, and now select this top plane as the reference of the third plane which we are going to create here. So select this top plane here and 0.08 will be perfect, and select it, and here you have to flip the offset. We want to create this plane at this side, at the front side of the pencil. So use this flip offset option here, and now press this OK button. Now I am going to use this plane in order to create another sketch. So select this plane 3, go to this sketch mode, normalize it, and use this point option here. Now this time I'm not going to use circle command. Here I'm going to use this point option. So click on it and just insert a point here right at the origin. Now press this OK button and click this option. Now I'm going to use Lofted Boss Base command. Just select it and select this circle and this point. Now press this OK button. So you can see that we have successfully created a pencil. Now right click on this plane and hide it. Similarly, hide this plane as well, and hide this plane, and also hide this last plane. Now I'm going to change its appearance. Firstly, select this surface. Here you have to select this drop down, click on this face 1, go to this appearance tab and you will find this solid option. Here I am going to choose red color, so click on it and press this OK button. Similarly, select this surface and also select this drop down, go to this phase 1 option. Similarly, I am going to select solid option here and similarly red, and press this OK button. The tip of the pencil should match the color of this pencil, so select this surface, go to this drop down, select this phase 1 option here. Similarly, go to this solid option, select this red option here and press this OK button. You can change its appearance as well, so select it, go to this drop down, phase 1, and now I am going to use a wooden option. Here you can see that in the organic appearance you will find this wood option. Here you can choose different colors like this one. So I think this polished maple 2D is perfect, so press this OK button. So we have successfully created a red color pencil by using simple Lofted Boss Base command. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.